Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Tuesday the 10th of February. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and as you can see yesterday we put in this sort of spinning top candle. Lots of chop yesterday. The markets are pretty uncertain at the moment. I'm looking and expecting possibly a bit of downside here. We've got the downside target there of 113.18. We may see if that's broken. We could see the markets running down towards yesterday's lows there. There's a lot of uncertainty around the euro, as I said yesterday. To me, I think once we got this tomorrow's meeting out of the way, we may have a bit more clarity. But this situation with Greece and everyone trying to play hardball, I think it may end in tears for the euro for a while at least. So we'll see how we go. But for now, looking bearish. Okay, let's have a look at cable, the pound dollar. Looking at bigger time frames first here. Cable again yesterday gave up some more of its gains from the previous week there. Shooting star really, almost candle here, rallying this morning at the moment. Again, well actually I don't really have it. It's still got yesterday's target of the weekly pivot sitting below us, but we've already hit the sort of daily target. We're just running into the hourly 50 here. This could roll over and break to the downside. We've got euro coming off a little bit at the moment. May see a similar situation with the pound dollar coming off for a bit. If we do, I'm just looking from in terms of trading this as we run through the morning for cable. If it runs through this, breaks through this 50 MA through this trend line I've just drawn on here, I've got to be looking for the bullish side. I was hoping last week that we'd see some continuation of that. Now, if we do see a break of this, well, maybe we could go up to last Thursday's highs there, Friday's highs rather. And push towards that region. At the moment it's erring towards the bearish side of things, so just keeping an eye on what's going on there. But you could almost draw the trend line across the lows here and become bearish below that. So we've got the sort of 2 points in terms of clarity, but if we break this trend line, we're also below the daily pivot, which puts us towards the more bearish side. Very pinched market in terms of the pivots yesterday. So quite tight ranges both for the euro and the pound, but yeah, quite tight. Looking, as I say, that's the sort of guide for me at the moment. Erring towards the bearish side at the moment. Looking at the dollar yen. Dollar yen really has again consolidated mainly. It gave back. The dollar gave back some of its gains yesterday. Whereas the pound and the euro fell, so did the dollar against the yen. The yen strengthened a tad, chopping away at the moment on the hourly point of view. I've found this really very difficult to trade of late. I drew this on just a short while ago. We've broken the sort of trend line a bit of gone through this a little bit at the moment, pushing up towards its daily pivot here. Could push beyond that somewhat and continue this move from Friday. Certainly that's what it looks like at the moment, but so you'll put a bull flag here. So that's my view on the dollar yen at the moment. And finally the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar outperformed yesterday and may do again today. It's benefited from the low inflation that's seen through China, and it made around about 50 pips so far already, but it's pulled back from those gains at the moment, or losing some of those gains. As you see, just shove it up nicely. Again, if this starts rolling over, I'm looking at, I've got a trend line on the top here, from which I'm bearish at the moment. You've got to be looking, well, it's already hit this daily R1 area, could push up towards daily R2 if it really gains any momentum here, and really would be looking for the other currencies to be pushing up as well, to give it some give me some confidence in taking it. Okay, that's pretty much it today. In terms of news, we do have some news this morning for the pound. We've got the manufacturing production figures coming out at 9:30. This can cause a bit of volatility, around about 20 or so pips that we've been seeing of late. So I'm certainly looking maybe to trade that if I can. So that's at 9:30. Okay, that's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.